This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get round to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, really get it, get on my tracks, take a back seat, hitchhike. And take a long ride on the motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get round to it. I am ready. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love.
Hi, love. Salamat sa pagiging organized mo.
Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love. Crazy little thing called love.
Ang taong tapat umibig, laging victory ang kanyang katapat. Kagaya ni Jesus, naghirap, pero subalit nagmahal, siya mananatiling tagumpay. At iyon din ang tagumpay na panalangin natin, mga kapatid, para kina Aldrin at Clarence. Sila'y huwag mapagod at palaging maging nagsisikap na tapat, magmahalan sa isa't isa.
Ikaw ang una at huling.
You always trust me. You always inspire me to be a better man, to be a better version of myself every single day. To strive and work harder and to dream bigger. Kapag naalala ko lahat ng to, madalas kong tinatanong ang Panginoon, what did I do to deserve you?
Today, sa harap ng Panginoon, in front of our families and friends, I am marrying the love of my life, my greatest love, my soulmate, my everything. Lahat kalmado, lahat magaan. Everything feels easy kapag kasama kita. You have brought a light into my life that I never knew I needed.
Ama and Mame, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal nyo. Walang araw na hindi ko naramdaman na mahal nyo ako. Lahat ng meron ako ay dahil sa inyo.
We worked so hard to finally get here. Puyat, pagod, iyak, lahat worth it. I love you, my best friend, my lover, my greatest love, my partner, and now my husband. I know our future sons and daughters will thank me for choosing a very good father. I love you, love.
Matagal din akong humiling sa Panginoon ng pag-ibig na tunay at tapat, at lahat yan ipinakita at ipinaramdam mo. Thank you for being my joy and my rock, for making me feel safe.
I love you po. So, lang po ang gusto niyo.
And so today, 8 years after I said yes to be your girlfriend, I am now saying I do to becoming your wife and forever partner. Happy anniversary, love. Thank you for giving me the best 8 years of my life yet. 8 taon na punong-puno ng masayang memories at mga pangarap. Salamat sa peace of mind.
Excited na ako and hindi na ako makapaghintay na makita ka, love. I love you very much. I can't wait to be foreverly yours, my Clarence.
Aldrin, finally, our time has come. Madami mang planong hindi natuloy, pero isang pangarap ang natupad ngayong araw. God has prepared us for this moment.
mahalaga lagi ang isa't isa. Hindi man perpekto, no? Wala namang perpektong kasintahan o asawa. Pero kasama yung imperfections ng isa't isa, dapat wag mawawala yung mahalaga siya sa akin.
Pag-ibig
Pinapangako ko na palagi pa rin tayong sasayaw. Palagi pa rin tayong kakanta. Ikaw ang hantungan kong inaasham. Ikaw ang kwento na hindi ko pagsasawaan. Ikaw ang sandali na palagi kong inaalala. Ikaw ang kailangan kong pahinga. Ikaw ang paghinga. From now until forever, it will always be you. I love you, Clarence.